Singapore, and today we're going to Universal Studios. Oh, parang
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day pala. Yesterday was Feb 14 and today is Feb 15, so we're gonna celebrate today by going to the Universal Studios. So yeah, let's go. Yay! Sakay na kami cable car. So we took the
Adventure.
The unlimited one. It's $50 per person plus may dalawa kang attraction na free. Huh?
Expensive.
It's expensive. Pero kasi itong batang to, gusto niya mag-buffet.
Yeah.
Okay, ayun. I'm so excited! Punta kami sa cable car. So yeah. Ayun, tumigil yung sinasakyan namin cable car. Sila din, nakatigil silang lahat. Suspended kami.
Yeah, we're stuck.
We're
stuck until 2 p.m.
No!
No more buffet.
Sabi ko na, pag gusto niya yung buffet.
Don't.
So this is the cable car. Yung sa baba. Ang cute oh, cable car design.
That's unlimited.
Unlimited nga. Eh, mahinig siya sa unlimited eh. Unlimited kiss. Hello! Andun na kami! Kala ko guys, katapusan na namin. Some superhero, some fairy tale place, just something. Universal Studios. Nandito yung globe, guys. Dami yung mga picture. So, punta ko. So, this is it. We're here. Are you prone to motion sickness? Yes. Oh no! No. We're gonna ride the Transformers ride. Decepticons are here. We are gonna ride the Transformer ride. Ano yun?
Let's look for Optimus Prime.
We are here. Mahaba pa pala yung queue sa loob.
She said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts.
So we're here at
Far, far away!
far away.
He has no idea where we are.
I'm confused.
Ako lang yung masaya.
I'm confused.
Yeah,
I don't have Bonamine.
we're in the land of Fairy Godmother and Shrek. And I'm so happy. Bilis ba? Gusto ko kumanta kami. Ganda yung music kanina. Wala na. Ano siya? I love Pina Colada. Some kind of way. We're here at Shrek's Castle. No, Fiona's Castle. Ganda. Ayun na. Now we're gonna ride a CC roller coaster. We'll be done in 30 seconds.
Come and see Jake over here. Hey, how about a round of applause? Come over here, guys. Hey, come over here. I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Achilles and his gift.
Happy New Year! Nawala na si Pink, ano? Hey guys! It's now 5 o'clock in the afternoon and tapos na kami sa Universal. Actually, something happened there. Pero, later na. Tapos, di ba nga, bumili kami ng $50 na ano, unlimited cable car ride. So, we're gonna use the ticket now to go to the Luge. Yung mag-ride kami ng mga ganyan. Ano ba? Yung maliliit na ano. And, dala nila yung gamit nila. So, dadali ko naman. Adventure seeker tong isang to eh. Yeah. Babe, dala mo yung clip, no?
I did.
So, ayun na. We're gonna... Parang self-service ata dito. So, we're gonna put our own helmets. We're gonna prepare for the ride. Yeah, localize mod. Every year, i-record natin sa 2018.
February 15.
So, ayun guys, nakakatuwa yung Luge, tsaka yung yung Sky Ride. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi natatakot ako na mahulog dun yung yung cellphone. Pero I had some footage sa GoPro, pakita ko dito. And now, we're doing the Segway! Eco Adventure. Dito na kami ngayon sa beach station dito sa Sentosa. And we're gonna do the Segway. Yun yung parang bike na ganito. Yan, sasakay kami sa bike na ganyan.
For 1 hour?
Para maikot. And yeah, that will be our next adventure. Come with us. Okay, change of plans. Hindi na kami magsi-segway kasi yung free segway is only 5 minutes. So we'd rather choose to go with the bike, which is an hour long. We could use the bike. So we could
Or less.
Yeah, or less. Pinapagod talaga yung sarili for today. Kaya ayun. Hindi pa kumakain ng maayos ko naman. Eto na, pipili na kami ng bike. Yan yung nagte-test ng bike ko. Bike tester.
Okay, baby.
Oh, okay, that's for me. Oh no, it's been a long time since I used the bike. Mag-biking na kami dito sa Sentosa. May Sentosa bus. May tram service. Free lang ata yan. Okay. So guys, we ordered rice and shine and chill and some Greek salad for snacks and amazing beach. Mga evil schemes ni Ruth and John. Walang pwedeng sumakay.
Unlimited babies.
Ano? Inahin lang. Baboy. Inahin baboy.